Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bead unboxing for Beebeecraft. This order actually I put in, came in October, but my dad had passed away. I was gone for like almost a month, and then coming back and getting into, swing of things, it's a little late on this, but I love what I picked out. If you are a YouTuber yourself and you have over 100 subscribers, I will leave a link below. You can become one of their affiliate members, and they will send you beads to do tutorials and unboxings for them. It's a really great company. I've been working with them for I think almost 2 years now, maybe a year and a half, something like that, and I've been happy with everything I've gotten. I have a coupon code BNJewelry10. I will leave the link below for 10% off your first order with them. They have some really great prices. As I start unboxing everything, I will show you, and I'll give you the price of everything. So let me get everything, and I will get ready. So here are the things. Look at these bead caps. Look how pretty they are. I got these. I have a cool idea for these. I'm hoping it's going to work. So I'm going to have to work on it first, and then I will, I'll do some practice sessions on my bead mat, and then if it does, I will do a video for that. Then I got these beautiful crystal cones, and then I got some anti-brass ear wires. I was in desperate need of these. I get all of my stuff from them. Let me open this drawer without knocking everything over. I get all of my my jump rings from them. That's antique brass. Here's copper. Here's silver, and then I have gold. And I think I got these like I don't even know how long ago. And there's so many in here, and I love it because they're all the different sizes and everything. I will leave a link below to these as well. So if you're interested in these, you can check those out. So let me put these, I've got all my drawers here. So I got these 2-hole beads here. And then I got some Miyuki seed beads. These are such a great price, I will tell you. And then these really cool 3-hole pieces. So let me get everything set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my first one is the Panda Hall Elite 30 grams, 6 colors, luster check glass seed beads in metallic colors, 2 holes, oval, mixed color. This container was $3. And they usually have a lot of sales going on as well. So, you know, you can always get a sale with them. But it's great because, like if, let's say you're a traveling beader, you just turn that and you get, I'll take a couple out. I don't want to take them all out because, but yeah, see, these are really pretty. They're a little bit different shape than Super Duos, but you can use them like Super Duos. So I got that right there, and it came with this container here. So, and next are the multi-petal alloy enamel bead caps, cadmium-free and lead-free, golden flower, mixed colors. These were $6.89. And look how pretty these are. Look at all the different, you've got pink ones, green ones, red ones. There's different kind of red ones. Trying to see how many, I forgot how many are in here. Let me open up my thing. I forgot how many, oh, it's 100 pieces. Yeah, I think. Yeah, so there's 100 of these. That's not a bad price at all. So I love these. These are so pretty. Yeah, I'm going to try something. You know how you get, you know, ideas in your head and then you're not sure if it's going to work or not. So we shall see. It's for a really cool pair of earrings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to practice on one. Then if I like it and I like the way it turned out and everything, then I'll make the other one on camera. So, and then next are the Honey Handy brass earring hooks, ear wires. So these were for 200 pieces. They were $1.80. I mean, that's really cheap. And if you use my coupon code, you get another 10% off of this. So I think this whole order, everything I'm doing, came to $27.45. So you cannot beat that. So yeah, so I got 200 of these ear wires. And then next, let me get a little container for these. These are Milky Round Rocalis. Oh, I can't talk today. Rocalis beads, Japanese seed beads, 8 O's, light cranberry lined topaz luster. Why can't I get this open? I just opened this a second ago. Here we go. Oh. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. They have nice resealable bags. Never had a problem with one of their bags before. I'm going to crack the whole thing open so I can't put them back in there because I like keeping them in here. There we go. Okay. So they're cranberry. They have a little bit of like a gold hue to them. So they're really pretty. More of a translucent cranberry lined topaz luster is what they're called. They're very pretty. That's the first one. Now, I hope they're not all going to be this hard to open. I've never had problems with these packages before. Let me see if I need to just do a little cut right up here at the top. Let me cut down a little more. These babies are sealed. Okay, there we go. I guess I need to cut the little bit off the top. Okay. Move this out of the way. Oh, these are really pretty color. These would be pretty for like flower seed bead earrings. And the next are Honey Handy Miyuki Round Rocalis beads, Japanese seed beads, 8 O's, matte opaque orange. These were $2.87. So these are really pretty. Their seed beads are really nice. I do a lot of bead weaving with them. I have a nice collection of them from working with them. I usually get like 4 or 5 packages every time because it just keeps me good in seed beads. And now these are Honey Handy Tibetan style bar spacers, lead free and cadmium free and nickel free, rectangular antique silver color. And it was, let me see, how many did I get? I got 20 pieces of these and it was $1.80. So see, it's got the 3 holes at the top. And then it's got that really cool really pretty, they're not laying right, they're really pretty design on them. So I got 20 pieces here. I had thought would be really cool is to do some dangle earrings, like hanging from him, and then have one coming up with an ear wire. I'm not sure. you know, you get ideas in your head and then you start working on them and like, no, that doesn't work. So, but these are so pretty. I love these. And next are Honey Handy electroplated glass bead strands, rainbow plated faceted bicone mixed color. This was $3.05 for, I got 10 strands. Let me see here. I'm trying not to, oh here. I got 10 strands of these. Look at these. 10 strands of these for $3.05. I mean, you gotta admit, that's cheap. And they're so beautiful. Look how sparkly they are. Like if you like to make stretch bracelets or stacked bracelets and all that kind of stuff, these are perfect for them. Look at these different colors. Look how shiny they are. Look at that. Make yourself a nice little bracelet with these for the holidays or anything coming up. You can get these in different colors too. They're so pretty. Okay. And next, let me turn my page here. Because I have so many things that I have 2 pages. And next, let me cut this. Okay. And next is Miyuki round beads in opaque gray. These were $1.49. These seed bead packs are 10 grams each. So when you think about how expensive Miyuki seed beads are, and you see how cheap these were, I mean, $1.49 for 10 grams. And this is opaque gray matte. I love mixing matte with sparkly beads because there's so many different textures to the piece of jewelry when you weave them together that it just, you could have like a gray, like you could do one of these with a gray undertone in it and then do the matte and it's the same exact gray, but just having one sparkly and one matte, it looks like 2 totally different textures. And that's one of my favorite things to do. And then next I have, let me open these, 10 grams. Oh, these look just like a ray of sunshine, these. Okay. And next is Japanese seed beads, opaque yellow luster. Oh, these are pretty. Look at those. These are really pretty. You can mix those with these. Oh, that'd make a really pretty earring. It's an idea. Very pretty. And then last, but definitely not least, let me cut this open. I'm only on my 2nd cup of coffee this morning. I usually don't film till afternoon. And last but not least is Duracoat, Miyuki Round Duracoat dyed opaque delphinium. That's a nice. And these were $1.95 for 10 grams. These are really pretty as well. I feel like I got such a deal with all of this stuff. I mean, look at all of this. This, all of these for $27.45. So, and imagine this at 10% off if you use my coupon code. That's definitely a steal. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'm going to try creating with these what I have in my head. Hopefully it'll come out okay, because you know, sometimes, like I said, you think you're doing one thing and it doesn't work out. So even if it doesn't work out, I might show you my flopped, what I was thinking of. So we shall see when I get in my creating mode. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And like I said, use my coupon code BNJewelry10 for 10% off your first order with Beebeecraft. And thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. I will have it right over to the side, the right side, and all of my information is below in the description. And you have a great day.